Hello kids, welcome to the class. So first question I'll take over here is 2 1 upon 3 plus 4 2 upon 5. So these are the two fractions given to you, mixed fraction. So what are you going to do? The first step over here will be convert the given mixed fraction into the improper fraction. How we do it? You do 2 3s are 2 times 3 gives me 6 plus 1 7. 7 upon 3 plus 4 times 5 gives me 20. 20 plus 2 gives me 22 upon 5. Now over here, instead of solving this, you are going to solve this new fraction. Okay. So now start. I am going to make use of cross multiplication method. What I am going to do, I am going to simply cross multiply, that is I'll multiply the denominator with the opposite numerator. So 7 I'll write as it is. It will be multiplied by 5, which is the denominator of second fraction, plus 22 into 3 whole upon 3 into 5. Now when I multiply it, 7 times 5 gives me 35 plus 22 times 3 gives me 66 whole upon 3 times 5 gives me 15. And when I will add it, I'll get answer as 101 upon 15. Okay. So over here, the answer of this addition, that is of two mixed fraction, will be 101 upon 15. Now the second sum I'll take is 4 1 upon 2 plus 3 1 upon 3. Okay. First step is to convert it into the improper fraction. 4 times 2 gives me 8 plus 1 gives me 9 upon 2 plus 3 times 3 gives me 9 plus 1 gives me 10. Now, without wasting much time, I'll go and do cross multiplication. So 9 into 3 plus 10 into 2 whole upon 2 into 3. 9 times 3 gives me 27 plus 10 times 2 gives me 20. Whole upon 2 times 3 gives me 6. So answer will be 47 upon 6. So as I said earlier, you can keep the answer like this, or you can go ahead and divide and find the mixed fraction if you want. I'll show it now quickly. So here 6 sevens gives me 42. So now over here it will be 7 5 upon 6. So over here the final answer will be 47 upon 6 or 7 5 upon 6. So I hope you have understood this. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.